Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the dramatic idiom cost an arm and a leg. It's a colorful way to say something is outrageously expensive, often with a playful or exaggerated tone to highlight the steep price of a purchase. It's about feeling the pinch of a big expense. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. That new sports car? It costs an arm and a leg. It's way too pricey for me. A vacation to that resort costs an arm and a leg. The trip is super expensive. The latest smartphone costs an arm and a leg. It's a huge dent in my wallet. The idiom cost an arm and a leg has vivid historical roots, likely emerging in mid-20th century American English after World War II. The phrase may draw from the grim reality of war injuries, where soldiers paid a high cost in physical sacrifice, though no direct evidence ties it to this origin. Alternatively, it could stem from earlier expressions like, "I'd give my right arm," used to emphasize willingness to pay dearly. By the 1950s, it became a popular, humorous way to describe exorbitant prices, its hyperbolic imagery making it a staple in casual speech about costly goods or services. Use cost an arm and a leg to describe something shockingly expensive, especially in casual chats where you want to emphasize the high price with humor or exaggeration. This idiom carries a lively, dramatic tone and is perfect for conversations about shopping, travel, or big purchases. Avoid it in formal or sensitive contexts, as its exaggeration might seem out of place. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.